Hello and welcome to another episode of Rubicon Unlimited. I'm James and I've been away for a while, but I have been working on the Jeep. We got some brand new hubs in here, we got some brakes. This Jeep has roughly 115,000 kilometers, so I'm in maintenance mode. The other day, when doing an oil change, I noticed my oil was a little bit low and I didn't see any leaks on the engine at that point in time, but I did know something was up. And the other day, after parking, I noticed that I had a bit of oil accumulating under the Jeep, and that's always a nerve-wracking thing. So I dove on under there, took a look, and I could see oil dripping down from the side of the transmission. And when you see something like that, you kind of think, oh my God, is this the rear main seal? That's not something I would ever tackle, but doing some research online, I realized that a common problem with these engines, this engine is in so many Chrysler vehicles, Jeep, Dodge, they leak at the oil filter housing. Now, the stock one I have right here because I've already really dug into that engine and I can see the cylinders. Like, we're deep into a repair right now to get to this bad boy. And you can see it's plastic. And because this thing lives between the cylinders, it's dealing with a lot of heat. And there's many points of contact here with gaskets. Eventually this thing can warp and you got an oil leak. Now the weird thing about this one is you probably won't notice that leak for a while because of where it is between the cylinders. There's like a V, you have that valley right in the middle. That's what was filling with oil. And it got pretty deep to the point where it now spilled up over and behind the engine and out the back. I realized that this needed to be fixed. And what's cool is because this is such a common issue with this kind of engine, there is a replacement. And it's made of aluminum and it comes with all the new gaskets. All the ports on here are like super heavy duty bolts as opposed to just like plastic welded things. You swap over your sensors, you swap over the cooler housing. So it's not a pricey piece, but you get the aluminum, you get the sturdiness, and it drops right back in. What's great about this is it also comes with the gaskets that'll go onto the intake manifold. Because you're getting that all removed, you're gonna have access to those gaskets. So it's pretty sweet that they provide that because those gaskets don't go on here, it's going on your intake manifold. So they really didn't have to include those, but they did. That's an added benefit for this kit. I appreciate that because I'm taking those parts out anyways, and fresh gaskets are always welcome. I think this is one of those products that you would expect the engine to just like kind of come with. I mean, the designers probably should have used an aluminum piece already, but it's good to know you can go out and get this when you have that leak and swap it in and probably never have to deal with that problem again. Now, this is a bit of a chore. It takes a bit of time. Give yourself enough, probably a whole day just to go at a steady pace. I'm personally not gonna go over step by step. There's tons of comprehensive walkthroughs out there. But yeah, I just wanted to do this as a PSA to show you that if you have a leak similar to that, it's probably not your rear main seal. It's gonna be this housing here, and that this product exists. So there's an Amazon link below, and that is to this guy. I get a little bit of kickback. It's an affiliate link, but the price does not raise because of that. It's just kind of taking a little bit from Amazon, giving to me to support the channel. And yeah, this is probably the product you're gonna wanna go with. It's gonna solve that problem. Thanks again for watching. That was a quick one today, but if you can, please subscribe to the channel. And if you've done an install like this, digging into your engine, leave a comment. Let me know how that went for you. I'm almost done here. We're gonna drop this in now. But yes, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.